The modern living room, a sanctuary where style meets comfort, where sleek design harmonizes with warmth, and where every element whispers relaxation. In the realm of modern design, creating a living room that is both inviting and stylish is an art form, a delicate balance of aesthetics and functionality. Let's start with the foundation, the color scheme. In a cozy modern living room, neutral tones often reign supreme. Think soft grays, warm beiges, and calming whites. These colors create a serene backdrop, allowing other elements of the room to shine. Accents of muted blues, gentle greens, or subtle blush tones can add depth and personality without overwhelming the space. Now, let's talk about the furniture. In a cozy modern living room, comfort is key. Sinkable sofas with plush cushions invite you to lounge for hours, while oversized armchairs beckon you to curl up with a cup of tea. Low-profile furniture with clean lines and minimalist silhouettes create a sense of spaciousness, while still providing ample seating for family and guests. Choose pieces upholstered in soft, tactile fabrics like velvet or linen for an extra touch of luxury. Now, let's talk about ambience. Lighting is crucial in creating a cozy atmosphere. Opt for a combination of overhead fixtures, floor lamps, and table lamps to provide layers of light that can be adjusted to suit any mood. Soft, warm light bulbs create a welcoming glow, while dimmer switches allow you to control the intensity. Consider adding candles or a fireplace for an extra dose of coziness on chilly evenings. Accessorizing is where you can really let your personal style shine. A few well-chosen pieces can add character and warmth to the room without overwhelming the space. Textured throw pillows, chunky knit blankets, and faux fur rugs create inviting nooks and crannies perfect for lounging. Incorporate natural elements like wood, stone, or plants to bring a touch of the outdoors inside. And don't forget artwork and decorative accents to add personality and visual interest to the walls. In a cozy modern living room, every element works together to create a space that is both stylish and inviting. It's a place where you can relax, recharge, and reconnect with loved ones, surrounded by comfort and beauty. So go ahead, sink into that plush sofa, dim the lights, and let yourself be enveloped by the cozy embrace of modern living. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of interior design. I hope you found inspiration and ideas to elevate your living space. Remember, creating a home that reflects your personality and style is an ongoing process, so don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Until next time, happy decorating!